Alright, good day to you students. So the other day I gave you homework to complete, which is self-practice 2.1c. So number 1 and number 2. If you got problem, you come and you ask me in WhatsApp. So we take a question to see if you got it correct or not. Which question should we do? Oh, hang on a second. Alright, so let's do H. Okay, let's do H. So is 3, 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 0, 3. Okay, so this is base 5. Alright, so 4 plus 3, okay, is already more, which is 7. So if you remember, okay, if you remember, 5 is 10. Okay, 6, 11, 7 will be 12. So it will be 12. Okay, carry 1. So 1 plus 4 will be equals to 5. Now 5 is already more than base 5. So that will be 0, 1. Okay, 2 plus 2 you get 4, plus 1 you get 5. Again, 5 is 10. So 3 plus 1 you get 4. So answer is 4002 base 5. Okay, let's see another one. Question 2. Let's see K. Right, K is 6026 base 7 minus 243 also base 7. Right, 6 minus 3 we got enough, so that will be 3. 2 minus 4 we don't have enough, so it means we need to borrow from our neighbor. The neighbor also 0, so need to borrow from another neighbor. So this one be 5. This is 7. Borrow, left with 6. Alright, so 7 plus 2, okay, you get 9. Okay, so 9 minus 4, you have 5. 7 minus 2, also 5. And then number 5 comes down. Okay, you check your answer. So remember, after you write your answer, the base you must write also. Alright, so that will be our exercise from last time. Right, so today we are going to see how do we solve problem involving number base. So it can be any number base from 2 until 9. Okay, 2 until 10. Alright. Okay, let's look at example 12. So you have a table here which is mode of transportation and then percentage of each type of transportation. Okay, and then it shows for 200 people going to school every day. Yeah. Okay, going to school every day. So A, state the number of students go to school by bus and by car in base 4. Alright, so okay, this is percentage. So percentage for bus is 25. We need to find out how many students in the actual number. So 25, okay, percent, multiply with the total number of students. Okay, you will get, where's my calculator? Alright, you calculate that one for me. Alright, you should get, okay, 50. So this one is in base 10. This one is for bus. Okay, and then we need to find the one for car. So car is 40% of 200. So this one we get 80 students. Okay, 80 students. So 50 we need to change to base 4. Okay, so 50 divided by 4. Okay, you get 12. So what is the remainder? Alright, 2. Okay, continue. Divide by 4, we get 3. So this one is no remainder. Divide by 4 becomes 0, remainder 3. So for bus will be, alright, bus, the number of students is 302 base 4. That one will be for bus. Okay, for car, okay, divide by 4, this one you get 20, no remainder. Okay, divide by 4 again, you get 5, no remainder again. Divide by 4, you get 1 with 1 remainder. Divide by 4 again, cannot divide, so we have 1 remaining. So for car, there is 1100 base 4. So far okay, huh? Any question you ask me in WhatsApp, because I cannot directly answer you right now. Okay, for B, calculate the total number of students who go to school by bus and by car in base 4. Now, since we already convert to base 4, we directly calculate. So I put the bigger number at the top, okay, which is this, plus with 302 base 4. Alright, so you can use the method that we learned. Okay, 0 plus 2, you get 2, 0 plus 0, you get 0. 1 plus 3, you get 4. Now this is base 4, means we should not have 4. So 4 is actually 10. Okay, 1 plus 1, you get 2. So you get 202 base 4. So this is the total number of students by bus and by car. Alright, C, calculate the difference. Now this one is in base 7. For walk to school, okay, walk to school, then motorcycle. Alright, so walking to school, we have 17%. Oops. Okay, so walk, we got 17% out of 200 students. So this one, okay, you got two ways. You can convert it first, or you can directly minus. Shall we do the directly minus? Oh, no, we need to find how much first. Alright, so 17% of 200 students, there are 34 pupils. And motorcycle is 8%. So motorcycle, we got 8% of 200 students. So 8% of 200 students, you got 16 students. So you can convert 34 to base 7, 16 to base 7, then you minus there, or we do it as we usually do, which is 34 minus 16, which is, we have 18. So we are going to convert 18 to base 7. Okay, 18 to base 7. Alright, so 18 divided with 7, you get 2 with the remainder of 4. Okay, divide with 7 again, no remainder, so we got 2. So our difference is 24 base 7. Alright, so you can do the other one also. 34 you convert to base 7, and then 16 you convert to base 7, and then you minus. But since we are more familiar with base 10, you can directly use calculator. 34 minus 16, which you get 18. Okay, and then you convert the answer 18 to base 7, which is better for you. Alright, we look at one more question. We look at self-practice 2.1. Let's look at question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Okay, I'll let you read the question first. Okay, so there is a picture of rectangle here, which is actually the playground, and it's divided into two sections. One section is for children, okay, which is the colored one. The other one, which is for adult. Okay, both of them is playground. And now the question wants you to find the area of the children's playground if the perimeter is 3300 in base 4. Okay, so all the other information is in base 10. So let's change 3300 base 4 to base 10. Alright, so the perimeter in base 10. Alright, so it will be 3 multiply 4 power of 3. Okay, and then 3, 4 power of 2. I know that there is 0, but make it a good habit to write it down. Okay, and use your calculator. 3 multiply 4 cube. Okay, you should get 192. Plus with 3 multiply 4 square. Alright, which should be 48. Okay, total these two, it will be 240. So this is the answer in base 10. Alright, one of the side is already given, which is 80. We know that in order to get a perimeter of this rectangle, it will be actually 2x, okay, 240 minus with 80 multiply 2. So 2x, you get 80. And then x, you get 40. Okay, so you know that the x is 40. So now we can find the area of the children's playground. Okay, so the shape is triangle. The base is 80. The width is 40. So you will get 1600 centimeter square. So far, okay? Alright, so your homework. Okay, your homework will be number 1, number 2, and number 3. So with this, we already finished with base number, which is your chapter 2. Okay, so let's do a summary of what we have learned in this chapter. Alright, so you know that, okay, so this chapter is called number base. Okay, we learn to list a number in different bases. Okay, and then we learn how to calculate the place value, the digit value, and one more is the other one is actually to convert from another base to base 10. Okay, and then we also learn about, let me change color. Okay, we also learn about how to convert another base other than 10. Another base to different base by going through base 10. And then we learn how to add addition for number base. We also learn how to subtract, which is minus, subtract number base. And of course we learn how to solve problem involving number base. Alright. Just remember, when you convert from another base to base 10, this one will be multiply. Convert from different base, we missed one. Different base, base 10 to different base. Different base. That one will be divide. Addition and subtraction, that one is only for the same number base. Different number base, we have to convert back to that base first, so that both of them or three of them, 2 for you to have the same base, then only we can subtract and addition. Alright, so that's all for chapter 2. So it means that we have another exercise. Hang on. Where did I miss it? You got one exercise, which is the comprehensive practice. Hang on a second. Comprehensive practice. If you are Rajin, you can do all of it. If not, you do even number. So you got 2 exercises today. You use this time to finish your homework even number for this question. So this one is the homework for today. Alright, so we finished with chapter 2. The next time I see you, we'll see chapter 3. If you are a Rajin student, you go ahead and see that chapter first. That's all for today. You take this time to do your homework, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.